Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a star. The angle of this star is 40 degree. This angle is 35 degree. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 25 degree. We have to find the value of this fifth angle. At first, notice on this theorem. In a triangle, if we extend one side of this triangle, then if this angle is alpha and this angle is beta, then this angle theta, then the relation between these three angles is theta is equal to this alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Now apply this theorem in triangle A, B and C. In this triangle ABC, consider this side AB is extended by this point as D. So if this angle consider as alpha, this angle consider as beta, and then if this angle consider as theta, now by this theorem we can write theta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to this alpha as 40 degree. So 40 degree plus beta, this as 30 degree. So sum of 40 degree plus 30 degree is 70 degree. So this angle B is 70 degree. Again apply this theorem in triangle this E, F and G. In this triangle EFG, consider this GF side extended to D. So in this triangle, if this angle consider as alpha, this angle consider as beta, then this angle will be theta. So again apply this theorem in triangle EFG. Theta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to, in here alpha is equal to 25 degree, so 25 degree plus beta is 35 degree, so 35 degree is equal to 25 degree plus 35 degree is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Now focus on triangle BDF. So in triangle B, D and F. In this triangle, the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. So angle B plus angle D plus angle F, this is 180 degree. Now if we substitute the value of angle B as 70 degree, so 70 degree, we found this here, plus angle D plus we have found angle F is equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree is equal to right side 180 degree. or this angle D plus 70 degree plus 60 degree is 130 degree is equal to right side 180 degree. Now taking this 130 degree to right side, we'll get angle D. This is this 180 degree minus this 130 degree is equal to 180 minus 130, this is 50, and this degree. So the value of this D is 50 degree. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.